Since 1888, Eneos has the longest history of any oil company in Japan. With approximately 12,000 outlets nationwide, we hold the #1 market share position, and our network is growing globally. Founded more than 120 years ago. Leveraging its long history, Eneos operates as an integrated system from extraction to distribution and sale. For many years, we have provided products and services that satisfy the Japanese market, often considered the most demanding in the world. As a result, Eneos lubricants are now used by nearly all Japanese car manufacturers. In addition to automobiles, Eneos lubricants are used in a wide range of applications, including industrial and marine applications. Eneos is now responding to new demands by launching new motor oils of the highest quality. Premium motor oil Sestina, a totally new engine oil created from our leading oil technology. Eneos motor oil leverages the unique technologies we have developed through our work with the technologies of the motorsports industry and automobile manufacturers. Eneos is in pursuit of the true potential of oil. Eneos motor oil utilizes double base, the world's highest viscosity index base oil, and the Zinc P technology, a unique additive formulation technology. These two technologies deliver engine protection and enhanced fuel economy, providing superior oil effectiveness over a sustained period. The engine remains clean and fuel economy is enhanced for twice as long as with conventional motor oils. Eneos motor oil protects the engine from sludge, boosting fuel economy by up to 2%. The high-end product Sestina is just one product in the range of Eneos motor oils available to meet any requirement in use or viscosity.
Eneos is #1 oil in Japan.
Eneos is #1 because of the highest quality motor oil in the U.S.
We are very proud to distribute Eneos products, #1 products in Japan.
Japan, #1 motor oil. Eneos.